Turbine Guy coming back at you, working on the Chris Craft once again. It was rainy today, so we got the tarps out behind us extended, keep us a little bit dry, while I finished installing the rest of the boards. You can see the tarpage I got going. More importantly, you can see all the holes are plugged all the way up to the front. Everything down under is in. Now all of this is glued and screwed with the 5200 3M stuff that all over me. So if the flood came tonight, we could float away on this baby if we had to. Won't be pretty, but we could float. What's next? We got to fill all the goombas and screw holes all the way around the boat with some fairing compound. Get that done tomorrow, sand it off, and hopefully get an actual coat of paint going on this baby. Now there was one actual board I was able to reuse. I wasn't going to, but then I cut the other one a little bit wrong, so had no choice but to use it. Well, the goal is to get this baby in by the end of the week. We may or may not do it. Key is to get the paint and everything on tomorrow, so it's got a couple of days to seal up and dry. Turbine Guy, signing off.